Welcome to Leaf Hydroponic Farms. In a series of videos, we are discussing about setting up a hydroponic farm. Once you have taken a decision to set up a hydroponic farm, as we all know that the hydroponic farm can only be set up under protected cultivation because you have to take care of some vagaries of nature like the hails, rain or storm, etc. But what kind of protected cultivation? There are many protected cultivation systems available in the world, and many we have adopted in our country. Some of them are suitable to our type of weather. Some of them are not suitable at all to our type of weather, but still many a time the people have been asked or guided or advised to set up such systems which have resulted into failure of the protected cultivation as such. So friends, if you want to set up a protected cultivation system, just first thing is, again you will have to decide what crop you want to set up. What kind of hydroponic system you want to set up under the protected cultivation erected by you. You can have a high tunnel. Tunnel can be simply with a normal air circulation, or the high tunnel can also be with fan and pad system. Similarly, next is naturally ventilated polyhouse. These naturally vented polyhouses, they have the open sides and they have a ventilator at the top through which the air circulation takes place during hot weather. And the third is called high-tech system, which is closed from all sides. One wall is having a pad and the other wall is having the fans. The fans pull the air through the pad, and in the process your protected cultivation system gets cooled. But in that case you will have to run the fans throughout the year, whether in summer or winter, in order to ensure good circulation. We have modified this fan and pad system to the level that we have made a mixture of naturally ventilated and the fan and pad system, where the sides are protected by the insect net and there is a rolling curtain outside which is rolled down when we are to start the fans in order to make it a fan and pad system. So you will have to be very careful while setting up the protected cultivation. We are going to do another experiment. You know, in our country, it doesn't rain every day. Rainy days are mostly in northern India, 70 to 80 rainy days in the whole year. Why should we build our structures in order to cater to the rainy season? Why can't we have a structure which will cater to all the 300 days or 280 days, and when the rain is there, we can roll a covering on it. This type of systems are available in the world. They are called retractile roof systems, which are very costly, $80, $100, $120 per square meter, where the roof will go off when it is not required and it will be pulled in when there is rain. Why to have such a costly system when we can design a simple system which will have a net on the top and the rolling sheet above it? The sheet can be rolled up when it is raining and the sheet can be rolled out when it is the normal weather, and there will be full ventilation. Rather, your polyhouse will behave like a net house. Some people say, why not net house for hydroponic farming? Very true, you can have a net house hydroponic farming, but in that case, whenever there is a rain, there will be a lot of dripping inside, which will damage the leaves, which will damage your crop and make your crop more prone to fungal diseases. So we will have to decide prior hand whether we should go for a high tunnel, whether we should go for a natural ventilated poly house, whether we should go hybrid of fan pad and the natural ventilated, whether we should go purely fan and pad system. All these things will have to be decided beforehand. In India, there is some government assistance available for all these structures. In some states, it is 50%. In other states, it is 75%. And some of the smaller structures in a state like Punjab, they are funded by the banks to the level of 90% from their corporate social responsibility budget. HDFC does it in Punjab over a structure of 500 square meter. There may be similar schemes available in other states also. But all these decisions again will depend on something: what you can sell, what you will like to grow, and the system will depend on that. And in turn, your protected cultivation structure will also depend on that. We will talk about these structures one by one in greater detail. What are the advantages? What are the disadvantages of different structures? How to manage these structures in our next video. Thank you very much.